Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you all? Are there some who are not feeling good? Or do you feel that the life is treating you badly? Then this video is made specially for you. You must watch this video till end. Once I received a beautiful message from a friend which said, if an egg is broken by an outside force, life ends. But if broken by an inside force, life begins. How true this message is, I thought to myself. It carries a beautiful lesson and if taken profoundly, can have a great influence on our life. There is one general phenomena we all see in our kitchens every day. When we apply external pressure on the egg, it breaks and the life within the egg ends. Similarly, the human being is greatly influenced from the outer forces comprising of the environment, society, friends and acquaintances, and thus gets into the trap of all the negative thoughts of failure, jealousy, unhappiness and distress which led to his downfall. Actually, all these thoughts are the production of his own mind, which thinks that his life will get affected by some external event or an individual. He lives in constant fear and feels that someone might affect him or become a hindrance in his success or happiness. In reality, these external forces possess no power to affect us, but we ourselves are letting them kill the human being that we are. We are absolutely swayed by all the ill beliefs which incur a bad influence on us. The second part of the message says that if an egg is broken by the force that comes from inside, life begins. That means that if the growth of the egg happens in a natural manner, then it leads to the birth of a new life in the form of a chick. This phenomena clearly explains the eternal fact that if we listen to the inner voice, our soul, the God within, that we can prosper each day of our life. Our inner force can keep us devoid of all the ill feelings and insecurities, gives us the right knowledge, shows the right path, and helps us in leading a righteous life. Thus, if we introspect, we will realize that nobody else but we ourselves are our biggest enemy. We can easily increase our happiness and success with our inner belief, but instead we choose to get influenced by the outer forces, which leads us to our downfall. It's the way we think that makes all the difference. Hence, if we let the outer force rule us, then we are breaking ourselves and are responsible for our failures. But if we let the inner force rule our life, then we are blossoming our life with all the positivism and happiness. We are born with some eternal good qualities and should never let the outer forces like society diminish these qualities, but should instead surrender completely to the inner force and let it drive our life. We should follow the instructions of this inner force and let it be our mentor in all situations so that we live a progressive, happy and an ideal life. So guys, how did you find the video? If you liked the video, then please like, share and comment in the box below. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell button so that you can get the latest notifications of our videos on your mobile. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.